Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the southwest end of Las Vegas, and we're going to be checking out the community of Tempo Trails by DR Horton. We'll be checking out some townhomes, and for today's tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan 1309. So if you're looking for a townhome in the southwest end of Las Vegas that's in the 300s, definitely recommend watching this tour. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these property tours, you guys are always the first to learn. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, for today's property tour, we are in the community of Tempo Trails by DR Horton, and we're going to be checking out a two-story townhome, floor plan 1309. And just wanted to start here on this back end to show you that they do have a two-car garage on this end, and as we walk to the other side is going to be your main entrance. But if you're living here, guys, maybe I would say 99% of the time, you're gonna be driving into your garage, parking it, and going in that way. But if you do have guests coming over, this is gonna be the front entrance. Just wanted to walk here, and this is where we're actually gonna get started. I actually just did a property tour on plan 1410. If you wanna check it out, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen. But for today's video, guys, we're gonna be checking out floor plan 1309. And this one is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just like the plan number, guys. It is 1,309 square feet, 2-car garage, and this one is priced at $379,990. HOA here is $98 a month, non-gated community. And they do have two different floor plans, like I mentioned. I just did the one on 1410, like I mentioned, but only two different floor plans available. And they are gonna be building a total of 222 townhomes in this community, guys. So they'll definitely be here for a while. But what, like I always tell people, guys, if you're serious and you're ready to make a move now, and maybe this might be an option, I would say jump on it rather sooner than later, because as they start building to the next phase and the next phase here in this community, they slowly start increasing that price. So just a quick heads up. And this one right there, see, let me show you that rendering real quick. Let me zoom in real quick. They are gonna have that community pool here. There's that rendering, really nice. And I would imagine it's gonna be here. So they have this fenced off right now, but they won't start it till I'm thinking maybe spring of next year, but you know, you will have a pool here. And also, as far as location, we are in the southwest end of Las Vegas, and just down the ways, you got like a Smith's and some restaurants. I would say, you know, a little bit less than 2 miles. From the Highway 15, you're around 2 miles away. From South Point Casino, about 2.5 miles, and you are about 10 minutes or so from the airport. So very nice central location. I wouldn't say central because you are at the end, but as far as close to the airport, I know a lot of people want to be there close to the airport, close to that freeway, especially if you are coming from California and go back to California, you got that 15 and you just take it down south. But here's floor plan 1309. Let's go inside, take a look. See, if you are in the middle units, you are gonna have your AC condenser right in the front by your living room window. Then you're gonna have a little covered, I don't know if you wanna call it porch, whatever, you know. You could definitely put like a nice little chair right here, that's for sure. So, and they are gonna be coming with the smart home technology, equipped with a camera, doorbell. You're gonna have your smart deadbolt lock as well. And let's go inside and check out this townhome. All right, so you could almost pretty much see the whole floor in just this quick little video right here from this, what you see on your screen. So here to the left, you have your living room, and then right off to your right, you can see your dining. And I'll tell you what, whoever stages D.R. Horton homes, they go like old school, vintage, vibrant colors. As you can see, these pink sofas right here, whatever you call those, little chairs. You got 2 windows, also 8-foot ceilings, vinyl floorings. And I did forget to mention, guys, everything you see in today's tour is what you get. Obviously, don't worry guys, you're not gonna get this furniture or that paint. So exclude that. Everything else, like your flooring and everything that is the actual house, that's what you will get. So don't freak out if you don't like the color. You're not gonna get that. So that is good news. Also, you are gonna get the blinds, refrigerator, washer, and dryer. And obviously, you are gonna get a stove and microwave as well. You got the countertops are quartz. You got your white cabinets. So everything you see exactly like this is what you're gonna get, guys. So I do love it how it makes it easier for me, guys. What you see is what you get, versus kind of, you know, certain builders, guys, you do have that luxury to do some upgrades. And sometimes I have to give you a ballpark number, like, hey, add about 10, 15% to that. That's gonna give you the out the door price. This is not the case, guys. Here, the out the door price is that $379, $990, at least of making this video. And if you're watching this video later, compare that price to when you're seeing this, and you're gonna know what I'm talking about, these price increases. But here's, so no gas here. It's gonna be all electric. Even your stove is gonna be electric. Even your tankless water heater in your garage, it's gonna be electric tankless water heater. So just a heads up, if you are a gas cooker, I don't know, is that a deal breaker or not? Let me know in the comments below. But over here, you got your stainless steel undermount sink. You also will have osmosis drinking water system as well. Your dishwasher. And then right over here is your pantry. Check it out. Good size, especially with the way food is nowadays. Yeah, definitely pricey. But let me show you from this view, guys, the kitchen. What do you guys think? So this door right here, I don't know, sometimes it's unlocked. No, it's locked. So this would be to your 2-car garage. Don't have access to it, but that's, like I said, 99% of the time, you're gonna be coming in through this door when you get home. And then your powder room. See, they painted that wall pink. But here's one last view of downstairs before we head upstairs. There it is. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you guys are enjoying this tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Then before we actually head upstairs, let me show you here. Coat closet. So now these stairs are a straight shot. So let's go get these step in and get the workout right. Also, really quick guys, I know I mentioned it, and if you always watch my channels, I know you hear this all the time, but this is more for new viewers, new subscribers, that if you are interested in purchasing a new build home, and this is just for new builds, well, technically kind of for all, because you still need an agent to go preview homes. But for new build guys, if you're gonna want an agent like myself, which I hope so, or you already have your own agent, if you do plan to come check out this community guys, it's super critical that we do come with you on the first initial visit. Because if we don't, the builder will not allow us to help you later. And at the end of the day guys, it's super critical to have your own representation. I'm not just saying this so you could call me. Like, this is, if you're using another realtor, just giving you the heads up that we're here, we're on your side guys. If you think about it, you know, don't get me wrong, the builders agents are awesome. But at the end of the day, who do they work for? The builder. So you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure that out. So have somebody that's gonna be on your side, negotiate the best possible deal on the home, get you the most incentives. Not just that guys, have somebody on your side reviewing that contract. So especially with the dates, it's super critical. If things happen, and things do happen, you wanna be on top of those dates, especially to protect your earnest money deposit. So if you have any questions guys, or need any advice, I'll have my contact info in the description below guys. It's just here to help guys. Even if it's just questions, give me a call, text me. But here's the first bedroom. So upstairs, you are gonna have carpet all throughout. The only place you're not gonna have carpet is gonna be like your laundry rooms or your bathrooms. That's gonna be your primary bedroom. We'll see that last guys. Always best for last. If you stick around, you'll see that beautiful primary. But here's your linen closet. And then over here is bedroom number 2. Man, see, look at these colors, guys. Like, who picks this? And if you do like it, I do apologize. I'm just speaking on what my thoughts are of this. It's definitely not my cup of tea. I don't like this style, these colors. So, I'm sorry if you like them. Hey, you know, everybody has their own right to opinion, right? I like things, and I don't like maybe things you don't like, vice versa. So, but here's your hallway bathroom. You got your prefabricated combo tub stand-up shower, your toilet, and then right over here is your single vanity. Also, really quick, guys, before we actually head up to view the primary bedroom, there currently are the incentives as I'm making this video, guys. Obviously subject to change. I don't know when you're gonna watch it. Could be the next day I post it, same day, or a year from now. But really quick, this will come included. The current incentive, guys, for FHA and VA loans, 4.99%. They buy down the rate. And for a conventional, it's 5.5%. And they're currently offering $7,500 towards your closing cost. So, but here's your primary. So this is gonna be the door as we come in right here. As soon as immediately off to the right, guys. So you do have your bathroom, then you got the bedroom, then right over there you have your walk-in closet. So real quick, let me show you your primary bathroom. Single vanity. I always have clients like, man, remember, like, I wish it had 2. You know, unfortunately, they are building these homes just with 1 vanity in the primary. Let me know if that's a deal killer, guys, or what are your thoughts on that? Or possibly you could do it yourself later. I mean, I think you would have the space, because look at the toilet, guys. So you still have, let me show you, plenty of space. And obviously you want to come to, maybe you could probably extend this another foot easily you could probably definitely fit, you know, 2 vanities. I don't know, guys, just thinking outside the box. I know it's a new home and you're like, remember, like, I don't want to buy a house and already have projects. But I'm just saying, if it really does, you know, if you really do love this townhome and that is a deal killer, then, you know, the good thing is you could change it if you wanted to. But here's your stand up. You do have 2 little benches on the left and right side. Now let's go see your primary bedroom. Really good size. Look at this. So you still have plenty of room here as well. Definitely do a cartwheel, not worry about hitting the dresser or the bed. 8-foot ceilings, I know I mentioned it already. But just to give you an idea, like, so you got nightstands on the left and right side. I would say that those nightstands are probably about 2 feet, maybe a little bit bigger, just to give you an idea of how much spacing you do have on the left and right side. Obviously this is a king size bed. Look at how big that thing is. And as big as that bed is, guys, look at it. I mean, you still look, you have plenty of bedroom left. So 2 windows. These windows are facing the front. See how this construction, guys. Also, you know, if you don't want to park all the cars in the garage, you are going to have plenty of parking throughout the community. So then right over here, guys, last but not least is going to be your closet. Check it out. Oh, here's your smart panel box, so your cable, your internet is going to be hooked up right there. Check it out. And I know, guys, it's not the biggest, guys, but let's remember, guys, this is a townhome. I think, you know, this community is perfect for someone that just wants to get out of the renting game. Purchase something under their name, guys, because, you know, I'm getting a lot of clients reaching out that decided to go the renting route and upset that they're raising their rent on them. They have no control. Sometimes not even that, guys. It's like, hey, 30 days to move out. Like, stuff like that does happen. So I think it's always good to have something, peace of mind, own something yourself. I understand, guys, sometimes it's just not the right time. I get it, but when it is the right time, I'm always gonna say buy your house, especially here in Las Vegas, guys. I mean, things are just getting better and better. Got the Raiders, got the hockey team, WNBA, you know, you got the baseball team, maybe basketball. So just think for the future, guys, especially here in the Southwest in Las Vegas. Still a lot of land out here. They're going to be building, but the more they start building, guys, stuff is going to start increasing. So get out of renting, guys, if you can. Definitely, if you have any questions on what the process is like, reach out to me, guys. I'm just here to help. Like, I'm not going to sit here and pressure you to buy something. That's just not the type of person I am. Even when I do show you these tours, guys, this is just so you guys are well aware of what's available here in Las Vegas and to help you make a better educated decision, especially, you know, for all my out-of-staters or even people out the country that I've assisted. This does come in handy, guys. Like, watching these tours and kind of give, you know, obviously, could we get into more details? We could, but then the video is going to be an hour long, right? So I just give you the basic things so you can see the floor plan. If you do like it, that's when we could hop on a phone call, video call, and go over more in details of these tours with you, locations, communities, guys. And if you're wanting to come check out this community, guys, or another home in this community, or even a different community, or resell homes, or even looking to sell your property, I could still assist you guys. I'll have my contact info in the description below, guys. So don't hesitate to reach out. Here to help and answer any questions that I can. And do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys found value in this property tour and enjoyed it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these future property tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.